Welcome back, you guys. So today's episode, we're gonna make a chicken sandwich for lunch. I'm actually working right now, okay? So I'm working, but I have a few hours until I need to get to my next call. So it is about 12:15 and I'm starving. So, I was thinking, let's do like a chicken sandwich. All right, you guys, let's cook this. All right, my friends, so this is what we're gonna do. Start chopping up a cucumber. Get that over to the side. Then you're gonna get your bread ready. We're gonna wanna go ahead and cut a nice little slice. Cut it in half. Now, best part, a little unhealthy, but we're gonna put butter all over it. Now get your chicken out, put it on a cutting board. You're just gonna wanna go ahead and make it a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna cut it in half right there. Put some saran wrap on it. We're gonna actually pound this with a couple sheets of saran wrap. Not too hard, just enough to kind of shock the muscle fibers. Then after that, you guys, Herbes Provence. Love this stuff. Get it at Trader Joe's. And it actually comes with a little spoon. But I'm just gonna use my hands and do a nice little seasoning on both sides, salt and pepper, and also the Herbes Provence. So once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and get our burner ready to toast our bread. Go ahead and get on a medium-high heat. Toast it just like that. Now we're gonna add some oil. We're gonna sear off this chicken, medium-high heat, for about 4 minutes each side. Now, chicken's perfect. Let it rest, and I just sliced it on a bias. That way, it can easily stack onto my sandwich. So we're gonna add a little bit of mayonnaise to this. Okay, just spread it generously on there. If you don't like mayonnaise, you don't have to put it on. I like to do both sides. Start layering your cucumbers. Nice little pillow for this chicken to sit on. Oh, this is so good. Add your chicken pieces and make sure you get every inch of the bread. Cut that puppy in half and check this out. I'm gonna eat this thing. I mean, take a look at that right there. Let's see. Oh, can't stand it. I just can't stand it anymore. Wow, that hit the spot. It's perfect. There's something about making your own food that's just so satisfying. You made it, you cooked it, you know where it's coming from. It's probably healthier than anything out at like a fast food restaurant. That little cucumber just gives it a little pop. A little pop of flavor. Love it. I'm gonna need a nap after this. Man, ridiculous. I'm back, you guys. Currently, right now, looking outside. It's freaking raining. You guys, I almost choked. You guys, it's winter season for the HVAC world, but we're not super busy yet. I mean, again, recipes always going to be in the description. We're going to start going back to regular programming. We're going to start making videos all the time. Until next time, you guys, see you on the next episode.